Hi all, welcome to the Nature Store. In this video, we are going to see the procedure of preparing this amazing hair mask that will help you overcome hair loss issues and to achieve strong and thick hair. This is the onion fenugreek hair mask which helps promote hair growth when applied in the scalp. Let's quickly get into the video of the preparation of this hair mask. The first ingredient here is onion. Onions are rich in high sulfur content which helps reduce breakage and thinning of hair. Sulfur is essential for regeneration of hair follicles. Onion in any form, oil or juice, has shown results of adding volume to hair when used regularly and battles premature graying also. Natural and powerful antioxidants in onion pulp can nourish your hair follicles and replenish the nutrients that you have lost from your scalp. Now I have peeled the onions and cut them into medium size for grinding them into a paste. Make it a fine paste without any chunks of onion. Otherwise it will be difficult to be applied on hair easily. The small onion chunks keeps falling out. The onion juice stimulates the scalp and improves blood circulation. It also nourishes the scalp with new hair growth. This is easily available ingredient in almost every kitchen and is a really effective remedy against hair loss and thinning. Research claims that using onion juice for hair growth delivers noticeable results in as little as 1 month. Applying onion juice to your scalp is a great way to boost an antioxidant called enzymes, which is why you see a rapid increase in hair growth. If you are someone who is struggling with hair thinning and balding, onion juice can prove to be extremely useful. The sulfur content in onion is what helps to nourish your strands and stimulate dormant hair follicles to reduce hair fall and boost hair growth. It has been used as a home remedy for years now for controlling hair fall as an anti-hair fall or hair regrowth agent. Let's keep it aside and prepare the next thing for this mask. The second ingredient of this mask is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is extremely effective in strengthening the hair from the roots and treating follicular problems. Fenugreek seeds are packed with nutrients that promote hair growth. These tiny seeds are known for their detangling properties, promoting frizz-free, shiny and soft hair. Fenugreek seeds not only kill the bacteria and fungi present on the scalp but strengthen the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Fenugreek have rich concentration of nutrients and elements that benefit the hair follicles. Now let's pour water into the seeds until it gets immersed in water and leave it overnight. The composition of lecithin and amino acids in the fenugreek is what makes it a fine remedy for hair-related issues. The seeds condition the hair from within, making it healthy and shiny. These seeds benefits for hair growth by removing the dirt and strengthening the hair follicles. Soak the seeds in water overnight and let it sit for at least 14 hours in water. See how it doubles in size over soaking of the seeds in water overnight. The seeds are now doubled in size and turned very soft, which helps us grinding it into a paste. Fenugreek water consumption is a great for generating heat in the body. It helps give vitality to the body and boosting immunity. Spraying the fenugreek water on hair also gives a great hydration boost to the roots of the hair. You can check the consistency of the seeds by pressing it by fingers to check if they are ready for grinding. It is one such miracle seed that can help you overcome your hair related issues by nourishing the hair from the root. Now it's time to grind the seeds into paste and make it ready for mixing it with the onion paste. Fenugreek seeds are grinded into paste and in using a mixer jar, grind it very finely like you did the onion and let mix them together to form the hair mask. Start adding the onion paste slowly and stir them together. Mix it together for some time so both the paste combine together, and keep mixing them using a spoon for some time. After you mix it well, using a cotton pad, start applying it in the scalp, covering all the parts of the root. You can store the remaining part of this mask, if any, left in refrigerator for 2 more days. You don't have to throw away the remaining. Now let's see the application part of this mask. Applying this on scalp, covering all the areas, and leave it for 30 minutes for it to work on the roots. And then wash the hair with a mild shampoo to get the nourishment, and you will feel the nourishment and changes once after the wash. Continue using this mask for at least a month for visible changes, and you will love your hair and start changing results. Onion fenugreek hair mask is ready now. You can apply this remedy once or twice a week. This mask is very good at hair follicle nourishment and help restore the strength you have lost from your hair. Please subscribe to our channel for more such amazing videos, and thank you for watching.